When we first put birth into the hospital decades ago, we treated it like it was surgery. They put her in a wheelchair. She can walk. She's not sick.
If you look at what the media does with birth, particularly shows like ER, people are coming screaming into the ER as though having a baby is the biggest disaster on earth, and that has imprinted generations of people now.
We were made to have babies. Don't just turn your body over to medicine.
Take the journey with 7 families as they find their way to a place of comfort, peace, and love, and welcome their newest members to the world.
Happy birthday, dear Shay.
What's the name?
Shay. Happy birthday to you.
Joyous, sensuous, enlightening.
It's got to be like it is when you make love with someone. It's got to be safe and secure and uninterrupted. And that is how you will have an orgasmic birth.
All of the pathways that are involved in sexual pleasure are in fact stimulated by birthing a baby. And when you can allow yourself to open in the same way that you open to orgasm, the exact same experience is possible.
And puts the conventions of today's healthcare system on the examination table. Orgasmic birth. It will change the way you think about childbirth and yourself forever.
If you were told that you could have one of the most physically, emotionally, spiritually transcendent moments of your life, and here's the map to get there, would you really say no?